No wishes, child. I am a piece of the sky, and I am almost out.
She's in the tower! Take the stairs!
Everything you just watched, the shots, the voices, the music, that wasn't edited. That wasn't stitched together from 100 clips. All I did was talk to OpenArt Director, and it built the entire film in a single generation. And it's about to make every other AI video tool you've used feel ancient. And here's why. Every big tool out there hits the same wall, 20 seconds. That's the longest clip the best models can make right now. So the second you want something real, an actual story, and add a music video, you're stuck generating clip after clip and gluing them together yourself. And keeping your character looking the same in every shot?
You won't stop me! I won't give up.
Good luck, that's the problem. This thing fixes it. Let's get into it. The link's in the description. It takes you straight to Director, so you don't have to go hunting for it. This is OpenArt's biggest update of 2026, and honestly, the coolest AI tool I've touched all year. It's a conversational filmmaking tool, which means you don't fight with prompts and sliders and seeds. You just talk to it. You tell it what you want. The story, the characters, the world, the mood. And it builds the whole thing. Visuals, voices, music, sound effects, all synced together. Up to 5 full minutes in one generation. And look.
Happen here.
Look at me. Stay with me.
It's not just films,
They let the tide.
music videos,
At 11:59, then said I'll fix it later, but never had time. But you got the energy of a lowercase letter. Soft little vibe like, man, I could do better.
product ads,
The world gets loud.
UGC ads,
Literally changed my mornings. I spent way too much on the fancy ones. They all sucked. This one, cold press, super quiet, and it's actually cute.
One dial, that's it. No 20 buttons.
explainers,
Fringe. Denim, chalk, sharp scissors, and your own fingers to measure.
social content,
These gloves are non-negotiable. 40 minutes up, how hard can it be?
whatever you need, same deal. You describe it, it makes it. But today, I'm going to show you the one that floored me. We're making a short film, start to finish. Right here, in front of you, Director gives you 2 ways to work, and you choose how hands-on you want to be. First one's Guide Me. It walks you through every step. It lets you review and tweak each part before it moves on to the next. That's the full director's chair. The other one's Just Make It. You give it your idea, and it skips straight to the finished video. No check-ins, just the result. For this one, I'm using Guide Me because I actually want to shape it. So I gave it the kind of idea that would break a normal AI tool. A full desert folktale. Here's exactly what I typed. Now watch what it does. It doesn't just go make something. It reads my idea back to me. It catches the mood, the pacing, the whole emotional arc. It understood the vibe before making a single frame. That's the part that got me. Before it writes a thing, it asks 3 quick calls. And now it's got the frame. And then it goes to work. It's not making clips yet. It's writing the actual script, building the story out scene by scene, start to finish. And this is the exact moment every other AI tool falls apart. The character's face drifts. The story wanders off. So watch closely whether Director actually holds it together. It hands me the full script, and look, it's already locked the main character's whole look. The braid, the headscarf, the sash. Same face, every shot. That's the thing every other tool gets wrong. I can edit any scene I want, but it looks good, so I lock it in. Then it starts building the characters and all the scenes. I can preview every scene, and honestly, nailed it. And this whole thing, me describing, it building, me reacting, this is what I keep calling vibe directing. I'm not editing, I'm directing through a conversation. And a few minutes later, my film is ready. Here's the payoff.
Lanterns, light for the long night, only a copper.
While other tools leave you stitching clips together and praying they match, Director just made this. One continuous piece, 4 minutes long, start to finish. And it can push all the way to 5. No stitching, no dragging clips into another editor. It's all one project. Wow. Okay, that genuinely amazed me. It looks like a real film. Same character every single shot, no melting faces, no breakdown. And I made this from one prompt. That's wild. But what if you still want to edit it? No worries. Once the film's built, you can get in and shape every part of it. Every scene's a card. Click anyone to jump in, open a single shot, and you get the full preview, plus a panel with every character and location saved as a reusable anchor. You can add a shot by clicking the plus button here. Same thing inside scenes. Add a shot, then generate or upload an existing image or clip, and even edit it. Flip to the timeline and it's a real multi-track editor. Every shot in order, your music on its own track, scrub and trim anything down to the frame, and it's all in one place. Change the music, redo a voiceover, drop in captions. And the captions auto-generate in any language: English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, whatever you need. It even remembers the project for days, your characters, your style, every decision, so you can come back tomorrow and pick up right where you left off. But here's the kicker: you don't have to touch any of it by hand. See that chat? Still right there. The whole time you can just tell it what to change. It make this scene shorter, and it does it. You direct, it edits. And this isn't a one-trick tool. It's a whole production studio you run by talking. Want to try it? The link is below. Go pro with my promo code for 15% off monthly. And the annual Wonder Plan is the best value by far. If you make videos, this one's a no-brainer. Catch you in the next one.